What's up, Nemui Mouse channel? I just clocked out of work, and on my break, I did a little shopping, a lot of shopping, let's just say, the LPS blind boxes at Target were on sale. And you want to know what I did? Hold on, I'll show you. I bought the whole fucking thing because it was on sale. How much did I pay? Okay, I bought like a bunch of other stuff. I bought food and shit, so the total was like what, $36. But like for all of this and then some more, $36. I think that's kind of crazy. You can call me crazy too, but I just had to. Other people were doing it, so I don't want to miss out. I love collecting toys, especially cute animals. And I decided I'm gonna open them immediately in my car because I can't wait. And like it comes with a little guy in there. I actually, if I can find it in my fucking grocery bag. Where is it? Found it. Oh my god, am I fat ass eat all this Uncrustables already? Okay. I took this. But it's mine. I'm gonna go ahead and open all of these. There should be 18. So I'm gonna start off with this one. We're just gonna open them all and see what I get. Let's see, blind box number 1. Oh, why are they so hard to open? I don't got scissors on me. Gonna just have to rip them open. My god, they like tape the fuck out of this. Like, no grubby ass kids can steal them, I guess. Jesus Christ, I should get a box cutter. Okay, let's see. Who did I get? A plant. A cow, right? Is this a cow? Looks cute. I'm gonna just fucking like toss them all in this bag. I don't care. I can organize it when I get home. Blind box number 2. Who is it? Just dropped a plant, I think, or whatever that was. Oh, a kitty or something? Maine Coon? I don't know, but it's cute. Where did it go? Oh, I see. It's a fish, so it must be a cat, right? Little fish. Cute. Next one. If you want some, I don't know the lyrics. I started singing the wrong ones. Pizza? What is this? Oh, it's a rat. It's Nemui Mouse. How cute. Kinda, I don't know. It looks a little funny. It might be Nemui rat and not mouse. We don't discriminate. That was blind box number 3, right? I don't know. I already lost count. I haven't been counting. I think it is 3. Yeah, when I get home, my parents are gonna think I'm bonkers. What is the hell? Look at this thing. It's a kiwi, huh? It's pretty cute. Or a hummingbird? Nah, it's a kiwi. It's gotta be a kiwi. That's the 4th one, right? Yeah. And then this one's the 5th. 5th blind box. Jesus Christ. It's just sardines in a can. So is this another cat? No, it's a fucking lizard. Whoa. I kind of fuck with him. Look at him. Cool. So far, no dupes. Will there even be dupes? This is like the full set, huh? I don't know how it works. Popcorn? Peanuts, it's peanuts. So, elephant? I don't know. Oh! Oh! A monkey! So cute. That was number 6. Okay. Number 7. I low-key want to go home. I like feel anxious here. Oh. Comes with the comb. Who is it? A little Yorkie or some shit. Some sort of terrier. This shit's already getting old. Oh, a dupe. Another thingy. Cat thingy. Or a fox. I don't know. I'm gonna drop the bone again. Kiss me through the scope. Where else to go? Kiss me through the scope. Nowhere else to go. Kiss me through the scope. Apples? What is this? An axolotl? That's kind of cute, huh? Let me speed run this shit because I want to go home. I want to go home. Hope I'm not like weird. It's just sitting here in my car opening toys. I want us to go. Kiss me through the scope. A birdie. Oh yeah, I found out my coworker has a kid. He's 19 and I'm 21, and I last time I romantically held hands was when I was 16. Snowballs. I doubt he'll ever watch this video, but I'm gonna just say I fuck with you. This is no hate. I just found that out and I thought that was I thought that I need to go to hell for being a loser. Cause I'm like sitting here in my car opening toys instead of like, I don't know, starting a family. Fuck. Carrots? Let me guess. Bunny? How cute! Aww. I've only had one dupe so far. Okay. I don't know what number that is. I'm just not gonna count anymore, but we're on the last row of toys. A something. What did I drop? A bone? Oh, it's a fucking dog. Should have known. I fuck with this guy. I fuck with him heavy. Just dropped his stupid toy thingy. I don't want to lose that. Okay, where is it? Whatever it was. I'll find it. Holy shit, this bag. It's just full of ripped open boxes and loose toys. Oh, cunty kitty. Deadass, where did it go? I'm gonna crash out. Okay, we're almost done. Ow, fuck. Feels big. Llama, I already have this. I bought this like last year or something. No hate. I already have it. Or an alpaca, I don't know what it is. It should say on the paper or something. Another panda. Cunty panda. Last one. Hold on. Fucking addict. Did I like drop the fish's toy? Oh, I found it. It's a blue leaf. We've always wanted that. We've always wanted a blue leaf. I've always dreamt of having a blue leaf. Put that there for now. Shit. Paper crumbs all over me. Last one. We have not gotten everything. We got almost everything. There's a few more I'm missing. I'm missing this green ass bird. This cute something. And this horse. Let's hope I get one of those and not a dupe. If I get a dupe, I'm gonna crash out. Ooh. Watermelon? It's not a dupe, it's the bird. Fuck ass bird. Well, that was all. I wanna go home now.